Floppy Bird. The fuck? That's why this shit is fake. And my best is fucking, my best is 16. Yeah, 16 basically. So yeah, I'm gonna try to beat that by today's little video. And then, I swear I'm gonna try to bring you something else tomorrow. Because it takes basically 30 minutes to edit this video. Because I need to put some funny shit in it. Like a freaking bird. No, a freaking bird sucking a dick. I don't even know what the fuck I'm saying. So let's just go over here. Boom, boom, boom. I just die like a little dumbass. 15 minutes. Bum 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 bum. Bum 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 bum. No, that was 16 directly. I'm gonna start doing that. No, never mind. I'm not gonna do it anymore. Wait, I'm gonna do it one more time. Bum 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 bum. No, I'm not doing it ever again, because it's Ed. It's fucking egg. Egg? Did I just say egg? I'm so hyped for 2.1 update on G-Dash. But not really, because they're trying to do not unlimited attempts, but it's like a couple of attempts per day. And I'm like, nah fam, if they do that, I'm not playing that game anymore. I know there's a 2.1 update, but why the fuck would you have that? That just gonna make your game more terrible. Like the Call of Duty franchise. It went all good to COD 1, to COD 4, all the way to COD 4. COD 1 to 4, and then they came out Black Ops 1, and then Black Ops 2. And then the terrible things happened. Advanced Warfare. How the fuck are you flying in the air like a fucking Floppy Bird? And then in Black Ops, no, in Call of Duty Ghosts, it's just terrible. Sister, nothing. Not recording. Just shut the fuck up. I'm just kidding. Fucking you, motherfucker. So, oh yeah, and then COD 3 came out. That was the beast of all games. My favorite shooting games is CSGO and COD 3 and 1 through 4. Because it's awesome. I tried it for my mom and Josh. Short is just, oh my freaking god. Alright, this is a short little video, so I'm just gonna end it here because what's the point of not? Actually, no, because this is just a 3-minute little video. Why the fuck would I just edit a 3-minute video if I could be editing like a 20-minute video? Like, what the fuck is that? Oh my gosh. Alright, MLG Pro mode. Bum, bum, ba-dum, bum, ba-dum, ba-dum, ba-dum. Ooh, 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 ooh. Oh my fuck. Oh my freaking. This game is so frustrating. Fuck out of here. Fucking done with this game. Oh my god, what the freak? This game is so Ed. Freaking little Ed crackers. Jelly time. Okay. I want too much gelatin. If I die, I'm gonna end this episode. I mean, this video. It's not an episode, it's just a video. Come on, I wanna... Oh my god. Yo, I did 18. A freaking team. Yes, 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 yes. It's over. It's over. Alright. That is all for this video. And if you enjoyed, please give it a thumbs up. Can we reach 3 or 2 likes on the video? And if we get 2 likes on the video, I will bring you another freaking video of Floppy Bird. Or maybe if we hit 2, Floppy Bird. If we hit 3, Minecraft PE Pocket Edition. So I'll see you guys later. Peace out, guys. See you guys